Good morning. In this video, we are going to study what is the sorting problem, what are the properties of sorting, and what kind of sorting we are going to study here. First, we have to understand what is the sorting problem. A sorting problem is a arrangement of numbers. Arrangement may be in ascending order or descending order. The input for the sorting problem may be a array of elements that can be a sequence of numbers, and output will be also an array of elements, but the permutation will be there or ordering will be there. The ordering may be in arranging order or in a descending order. Now comes the why we need the sorting algorithm. For example, we know that the data is stored in database in the form of table, in the form of rows, in the form of column. When we talk about the record, a single record, so it's a single row of a table, and a single row of a table can contain multiple type of data. There can be a primary key, secondary key, or other data can be there. Suppose we want to arrange our data or record on the basis of some keys, then we have to implement some kind of sorting logic or sub sorting algorithm there, so that data can be arranged in some logical order. But we have to choose the sorting algorithm. Which sorting algorithm we should apply there, because there different kind of sorting algorithms are there. So it is very important to choose the sorting algorithm which will be better for our data. It depends on the situation, depends on the number of records in this file. It depends on the ordering, whether data is already sorted or half sorted or not sorted. So this kind of arrangement, if we know, then we can implement the sorting algorithms. Now there are situations why we have to study the algorithm. The situation can here. For example, here we are explaining that why we are applying sorting algorithm or which sorting algorithm we are going to implement. So the properties of data are that do we have a random ordered keys, or we have a other kind of arrangement. All keys are already arranged in some order. Number two property, whether all keys are distinct or there may be a repetition of keys, or there may be some duplicates in keys. Number three, how large is set of keys is to be ordered, means what is the size of file we are going to sort, whether it's a large file, whether it's a small file. And need guaranteed performance, means whether we required the algorithm complexity or running time is order of n or order of n square. These kind of questions we can answer in the next videos, that what kind of algorithm we are getting, what kind of algorithm will suit it to our these situations. Because we have studied so many algorithms: insertion sort, bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, heap sort. These all algorithms, sorting algorithms, are applied on the base of situations, or on the base of ordering of keys, or on the base of size of database. Now we have some definition, those are related to sorting algorithms. First is called internal sort. Internal sort means when we are sorting our data in the RAM memory, then we call it is an internal sort. When we are sorting our data on secondary storage, then we can say that is a external sort. Third property says in place sort. If our sorting algorithm is using some extra space and that space is constant, then we say it's a in place sort. If it is a variable, then we say it is not a in place sort algorithm. There may be some algorithm, those are in place sorting, and some are not in place sorting. Now other concept is called stability. Which algorithm is stable, which sorting algorithm is stable or not. We have to understand the stability concept of sorting algorithm. For example, if there are duplication keys. Suppose here we are having two table. One table is sorted on basis of first key, and second table is sorted on the second key. If we are applying some kind of algorithm and that algorithm preserve the relative order of records of equal keys, then we can say it's a stable algorithm. How we can say? For example, in the first table, the third row, they are records with those are having same key. For example, AA, C, AA, BB, AC. So they are multiple records, those are having same value. For example, if we are applying on in second table, we have sorted this data on the base of second key, first key in our second table. So you can see if record number record with key value 3 are not in order on first key. Record number 3, you can say this is not sorted as the first on the basis of first key. So there are swapping. If the third column is swapping, then we can say it's not a stable sort. Next sorting algorithm is insertion sort. We will study in the next video.